Hey, aloha, guys. Happy Sunday. Sorry we couldn't do a Zoom call today. I understand that some of you had to work, so I wanted to do a little recording to walk you through a few things about the course and about Laulima. The first one is grading policies. Um, I'm in the syllabus right now and through Laulima, and you'll see a short listing of the different grades, and there's 7 bullet points here, and I'm not going to go through those bullet points, but I want to go down here to how each of these bullet points is scored. So the first one is 5 short writing assessments at 20 points each, spread out over the semester for 100 points. The second one is a chapter presentation, which you will do with me one-on-one via Zoom on a chapter that you will select from the text, and there are 12 possible choices that you can choose from. The discussion input in this class on the forum page, 10 points per topic at 15 topics, plus 10 points for posting 2 comments to posts from your classmates, and that's for a total of 300 points over the semester. Then there are 12 chapter quizzes, 1 quiz approximately per week, 12 of the 12 chapters, 1 quiz each of the 12 chapters in the textbook for a total of 120 points. Now the quizzes, there are 10 questions taken from a pool of 15, and each question has a page reference on it so that you can go to the page in the text to find the answer if you don't already know it. And you can retake the test as many times as you want, retake the quiz as many times as you want, and your highest score stands. So if you bomb the first time, you can take it again. Okay, I just want to make this a learning tool and not a scary thing. There will be a final exam with 80 multiple choice questions taken from the chapter quizzes. So from these chapter quizzes, there'll be 80 multiple choice questions, and again, each question has a page reference from the text. So it shouldn't be a difficult thing to work through. Then there will be response to lecture presentations at 10 points per presentation, and there are 14 presentations throughout the course of the semester. And I do those lectures via video, and I use Edpuzzle, and there'll be questions embedded in the little video recordings for you to answer to help you get familiar with the content of each of the chapters, the 12 chapters in the text. And then there will be class participation grade, which largely is about doing your work on time. And there'll be 1 grade of 25 points every 4 weeks for a total of 100 points. That all totals up to 940 points. So the A, B, C, D, F grades are based on a percentage. So A, for example, is from 846 to 940 points. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an understanding of how you'll be graded. Now I want to go over to the lessons homepage, and I'm in the first lesson for tomorrow to the 26th, and there's a breakdown of overview, this week's activities, this week's outcomes, and then I want to focus on the total points for capture this week. Each week you will see the total points possible. So week 1 discussion forum posting, 10 points. Post at least 2 comments to what your classmates post, 10 points. China's 23 provinces writing paper, 20 points. American Factory movie paper, 20 points. Submit answers to the video presentation questions, China's geography problem and the Age of Glory, 10 points. So total up 70 points. So I'm going to stop there. Hopefully this is helpful. Text me or email me, or you can even call me if you have questions. And I'm really looking forward to working with all of you this semester. Mahalo.